Hello guys, welcome to this short questions that I'm giving out. Yes, CSM 184 and 3. Yeah, and I'll be starting with the first question. I've given out like 15 questions in a bit. I don't want to keep it in a rush. So this is a short video, very short one. So keep calm and watch, and then get your pen and a pencil with a book, textbook or a slides, and try to understand how these answers mark to these questions. So let's start. When I formatted a cell containing the value 15389544, it changed to 1.54e plus 07. What formatting did I use? The answer is E, scientific. Question number 2. To copy formatting from a range of cells to more than one cell or range, first select the source range, then dash and select the first and sequence destination cells or range. The correct answer is D. You double click the format painter button on the home tab, but not to click the format painter button on the home tab. Keep it in note. So question number 3. Which of these shortcut keys may be used to format text as italic? I. Ctrl+3, Ctrl+4, Ctrl+5 and Ctrl+1. You will need Ctrl+3 and Ctrl+1 to do the above option. Question number 4 says to enter text across cells. One may use center across selection option in the horizontal drop down list on the alignment tab of the format cells dialog box. II. The merge and center button from the alignment group under the home tab. III. The center button in the alignment group of the home tab. The correct answer is I and II only. Use center across selection option in the horizontal drop down list from the alignment tab of the format cell dialog box. The merge and the center button from the alignment group under the home tab. That is the correct answer. Question number 5 says to make the cell height increase to contain multiple lines so that the length text entry fits a cell, select the dash checkbox on the alignment tab of the format cells dialog box. So you wrap text. That's the correct answer for it. You wrap the text. That is A. The vertical drop down list of the alignment option of the format cells dialog box has the following options. And these are the options: general, left, bottom, justify. So the correct answer is bottom and justify. That is for the alignment option of the format cell dialog box. These are the options that is having the bottom and the justify only. Question number 7 says an array tab of the format cell dialog box can you apply to shrink to fit option to a cell? That is the alignment. Alignment helps you to shift options of a cell. Yeah, the alignment. Question number 8. When the number 254500.5 is entered into a cell that is formatted as a numeric with 2 decimal place and 1000 separator, what will be displayed in the cell when the enter key is pressed? So Excel will see the numbers as a text, not as Excel will see the number as 254500.08. As in doing calculations, this is how Excel will see the number as. He will see the number as a figure, as in doing normal calculations. You get? Yes. That is, the answer will be B. Which of these is likely to be displayed in a cell that is formatted as general when the formula is equal to now bracket opening into bracket is entered in a cell in the cell? Okay, so the correct answer is B. It will give you the current date and time. That is a B. Question number 10. When you use the currency number format, you can specify I, the number of decimal places, II, how you want to display negative numbers, III, whether you want to use thousand separators, IV, what currency symbol to use. So the correct answer is E, I, II, and IV, the number of decimal places, how you want to display negative numbers, and what currency symbol to use. Question number 11. Which number format runs numbers with decimal if the cell is not wide enough to show the entire number and also uses scientific notation for large numbers with at least 12 digits? That is a general. D. General. The shortcut key Shift plus Control plus the $sign can be used for the dash number format, the currency. Whenever you see the Control plus Shift plus Control plus the $sign, it is used for the currency. Currency. You put that in your mind. Okay, number 13 says to reveal hidden columns, first dash, then choose home, format, hide and unhide, and then unhide columns. So you choose select cells from spam the hidden columns. That is the B. You put that in your mind. It might drop. To change one or more columns with, one should select the cells in columns that needs to be changed. Choose home, format and select the dash option from the list that appears to fit the column width to the widest cell content in a selection. So that is the auto fit column width, B. Question number 15 says to hide selected columns using a keyboard, select home, format, dash and then hide. So you hide and unhide. That is the correct answer. And then hide. Which of these is or are valid vertical alignment options? So I is right, II is center across selection, and then I is center, IV top, and then V justify. So the correct answer is center, top, and then justify. I, IV, and V. To copy the format of a range of a cell to more than one range, you double click the format painter button. You want to do a duplicate of a cell more than one range, you need to double click the format painter button. E. Which of the following is a spreadsheet application used in Windows operating systems? So the correct answer is Microsoft Excel. The number of characters that can be typed in a cell is limited to 255. B. The following are examples of spreadsheet application, except this is a tricky question. I believe most of us will find ourselves wanting with it, but I believe this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. Yes, you might find this in, but this is the correct answer. That is a symphony. B. Question number 21. The shortcut keys for formatting a time in a default format is Control plus at. So you put this in your mind. Time at. You put this in your mind. You press Control plus at to activate the time default format. Time will go for at. Let's go on. 22. In inserting a cell, which of the following option is not displayed in the insert dialog box? A. Shift cells left. Shifting the cells left is not inserted in a dialog box. By pressing the dash key, one can edit the content of a cell. You press the F2, that is changing the features of a document or a word in a cell. You press the F2 to do your editing on the content of a cell. If you're having a word or anything that you want to change the features or whatever, doing some small formatting, you press the F2. 24 says, what is the shortcut keys for entering the current date in a cell? Control plus semicolon. Control plus semicolon. You put that in your mind. When you want the current date, it's control plus semicolon. When you want the current time, control plus @. Which of the following keys can remove a selected character? That is the delete key, D. 26. Which of the following is not a use of spreadsheet applications in the accounting field? Which of the following is not a use of a spreadsheet application in accounting field? That is calculating regression coefficients. Calculating regression coefficients. The steps in opening a new Excel document are I. Microsoft Excel, II. All programs, III. Start, and IV. Microsoft Office. Okay, so you first of all press on a start, you left click on a start, and then secondly you go to all programs, and then thirdly you go to Microsoft Office, and then you open Microsoft Excel. That is B. A number is accepted as a text if it is preceded by a quotation mark. You put that in your head. That is A. If you want your number to be accepted as a text, you put a quotation mark, or you can use equal to two quotations. You first of all bring your equal to and then your two quotations into the number the text or the word that you want, or the word the way you want, what you want it to be, or whatever. Yeah, I'm getting even confused. I'm even tired. Yeah, I'm tired. Okay, 29. Which of the following is not accepted in representing numbers? That is the D. The D. Asterisk. The last question says, which of the following is not correctly matched? So this will be our assignment. So you do this for me in the comment section. Which one is your answer for question number 30? So have a nice day, and thank you for watching this video. Do well to like and subscribe. Yes, this is my first video on this. Yeah, thank you.